Traders, hello. I'm glad to see you here because today I want to tell you about what truly distinguishes a profitable market participant from an eternal beginner. And believe me, it's not the strategy, not the indicator, and not even the size of the deposit. It's about control. Control over decision-making, over emotions, and over reactions. I'll tell you about it today. And in the meantime, give a like and subscribe. And I'm off to open the first trade. So we already have the asset selected. Now we just need to choose it on the trading robot, set all the parameters, and get a ready trading signal. And it's a buy signal. So I'm immediately opening a trade to increase the price. And I want to tell you this. Let's be honest. What wins in real trading? Cold calculation or emotional impulse? What do you think? I'll tell you as someone who has gone through all the stages, from initial successes to disastrous losses. I have lived through and tested all of this. And now I can say with full confidence, artificial intelligence has already surpassed humans in trading because it doesn't fear, it doesn't doubt, it doesn't close a trade prematurely just because it got scared. Emotions are what make us human, but they are also what make us vulnerable in the market. Especially when you're sitting in front of the chart, your hand is trembling, the price is jumping up and down, and 1,000 thoughts are racing through your mind. In such moments, you are not a trader. You are a person under stress. And if you are not a professional algorithm capable of analyzing volumes, patterns, market phases, and inter-market correlations, in a second you will lose. That's why I created my trading robot. It's not just an automated advisor, it's a full-fledged trading assistant. It is built on dynamic analysis models with elements of machine learning, which adapts to changing market conditions and is capable of considering dozens of variables in real time. These include the news background, volatility, and market correlations. It thinks faster than you can press a button. And the best part of all this is that it is completely free and you can connect it right now. No subscriptions and no hidden fees. The link to connect is below this video. This is my tool, the one I personally created, configured and tested on thousands of historical scenarios and real sessions. And today it delivers up to 91% successful entries. Not based on emotions, not on luck, but on mathematically precise models. And while you decide whether to sit at the charts for 5 hours a day, others have already connected it and are making profits daily. So don't miss this opportunity. Connect and then now and start earning already. In the meantime, I've recorded my first profit. The first profit is in, the deal is closed. So let's not miss the opportunity, as I like to say. Let's immediately move on to selecting the second asset. For this, we update the trading robot to the start page and will now select a specific asset with which we will enter the second trade. So I want to focus on classic currency pairs. We have already traded on the OTC market. It's time for classic currency pairs. We select the asset we need. And I always advise starting from the point of choosing an asset with the highest payout percentage. Let it be the Australian dollar to the Swiss franc. Now we select it to park on the trading robot, set the expiration time, and receive a ready signal. And the signal we have is for selling. Therefore, I immediately opened a trade for a price decrease and will now wait for its completion. Additionally, I want to say that if you have any doubts about how this trading robot works, I cover trading based on its signals in my public Telegram channel. There, I publish signals from this trading robot every day, analyze working strategies, and show how I do it. Not in theory, but in real trading. So join if you want to test it. If you want to see the results that the trading robot delivers, and to look at the statistics. All of this is there, all of it is collected there. And I will also leave a link to the channel in the description below this video. And now for the time being, let's talk about the process itself. The trading robot doesn't just recognize technical signals, it integrates them into a comprehensive behavioral model of the market. That is, it can identify consolidation zones, determine moments of structural break, and predict the impulse at the exit. It also operates on multiple timeframes simultaneously, which allows it to account for both short-term fluctuations and the medium-term trend. And this multi-frame logic enables it not just to guess, but to predetermine market behavior. So it doesn't guess, it calculates, and you get the result. Without panic, without fear, with cold calculation and high precision. And most importantly, you save your time. Instead of hours at the monitor, a couple of sessions a day with 3 to 4 trades each, with precise money management, and you're already in a significant profit. Your deposit will start growing not due to risk but due to systematization. And this is the main victory over emotions, to make the process mechanical, balanced, stable, and repeatable. This is exactly why I created my trading robot. It doesn't make mistakes because it doesn't care about fear, greed, or excitement. And that means it has what most traders lack: discipline. And now you can take this quality for yourself, simply by connecting the tool, simply by starting one step, and you will move from the category of reactive traders to the category of systematic ones. In the meantime, let's note the second advantage. We have a profit from our open trade. We have the fixation of this profit, so let's conclude today's video on this note. I have told you everything I wanted to. And if you are tired of the market punishing you for indecision, fear of loss, or greed, connect a trading robot for yourself. Let it be your filter, your logic, and your protection from yourself. All the links are below this video. Join in. Join the Telegram channel. There we are building a community of conscious traders. Not those who guess, but those who know. And you know what? It feels different, it changes everything. The trading robot has already won the battle with emotions. The only question is, whose side are you on? The decision is yours alone.